And welcome to my channel. We're looking to XRP. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell button and share the videos to 20,000. We're looking to XRP. You can see as I described, the price is falling here to the downside. And XRP is, you have to know, we have here this uptrend. We broke this uptrend very clear. So here is some key information that you need. Yeah. The one first key information is that we fall also out of the second channel. Yeah, this is the first channel, this is the second channel, and we are at the third channel. Yeah, so we have here two possibilities. One possibility is the price of Bitcoin fall below the 30,000. Yeah, then we are landing at the blue line, yeah, 26,000 levels, or we going here to 30,000 and the Bitcoin price make a retest to these levels here. Yeah, these two possibilities we have. And if you look here to XRP, then you will recognize that we have here no energy to break um, from the third channel to the second channel. Yeah. So I have to look here a little bit more inside to understand the structure. This was an uptrend beginning from 31 of January. This is the sideways movement. Now we leave the sideways movement here. The structure is broke to the downside, and this is also not positive. We will see here at the XRP price a really hard drop to the downside. Let's look more inside to understand the structure here. Look, we have here a really bad structure. Let me look first. Yes, beginning from 27 of January of April. Let me look. Yes, we looking only to this structure. You can see this with your own eyes. This is the inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. We have the similar movements also here. Let me look. It's not so seen here at the XRP chart. Yeah, at the Bitcoin chart, you can see this very well, beginning from 2 of May until 7 of May. Yeah. 2 of May is this. You have no chance to see this. Yeah. The XRP chart, this is a little bit confused, but in the end of the day, you can see this. This is this structure here, and this is a really inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, beginning from 65 cent to 58 cent. And if we break the neckline here, then let me look. Then we will go 7 cent. Then we are landing here. Yeah. This is the next structure, and this is here 48 cent or 49 cent. Let me look. So, and the Z thing here about this, if we're going here to 48 cent, then we will break this structure here. Look, this was a support for XRP 1, 2, 3. If you break this, then we make a retest at 53 cent, and then the next trend is to going here to the downside. Have a nice day. So we're looking to Bitcoin price. Let's look here. I described this also in my full video. You can see that the price of Bitcoin will fall here to the downside. We have an uptrend here, wonderful uptrend to the upside. And if we once fall out of range here, we already fall here. Yeah. But if we fall after the retest to the downside to this level here, then we have two scenarios. One scenario is the blue line Yeah, we break also this structure to 26,000 levels, make a retest to the downside, or the vaults can manipulate this until to this level again. Yeah, and that's the dangerous point. If we fall here to the downside, 29,000, then we could get here a really hard, um, let's say, up move or upside move to the upside. Yeah, and then the quick fall here to the downside is coming. Let's look more in detail. What happens in the next 10 days, yeah, or 15 days, because the price of Bitcoin is very weak at the moment. If you look here to this structure, then you can see that we are here in the negative channel and try to go out of this negative channel. But I'm honest to you, I see here no energy in which we can say, okay, the price of Bitcoin can really go hard to the upside. If you look here, the structure is very weak. We have very weak here structures, and I would say after this action here, I expect that the price fall out of range. That means out of range means that the price could go here really hard to the downside. Yeah. So let's say this is our negative channel, but I think if you look here one time, two time, the fourth time, we are here at 34,000. Retest of this 35, and then we're landing here to the downside. Also dangerous, what I not mentioned here in my main Bitcoin video is that this negative channel here goes really to 28,000. But it is also possible that we make a really hard drop to 24,000 levels. Yeah. Why 24? Because we want break this clear. Yeah, clear means really here, this structure, and this structure is here, let's say 24,000, 25,000 levels. Yeah, this year. And so I think let's look. It is really at the moment not clear if we fall from 36,000 to 30,000, or if the vaults stretch this. Yeah, they can stretch this and then make a retest to this level. Then the blue line is coming more and more true. Yeah. Let's look, stay on the channel, and I look to the other cryptos. Let's look what happens in the next 10 to 20 days. Yeah. See you later.